The internet has grown in popularity, and ways to make money have grown with it. From Forex to Bitcoins to freelance to YouTube. There's literally 1,000 ways to make money online, but in this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money online without investing a single dollar. So put your money back in your wallet and let's get into the video. Do you know you can make $500, $1,000, and even $5,000 monthly online without having to invest money? With the methods I'm gonna show you, you can make money from anywhere in the world. And it doesn't matter if you're on a phone or a laptop. You can utilize these methods and start making money from today. And the best part is you wouldn't need a capital for any of the methods I'll show you. The first website I'm gonna show you is Fiverr. Fiverr or Fiverr.com is a website where you go to sell a certain service for as little as $5. That doesn't mean that you will only be able to charge $5. You can charge way more than $5. There are gigs on Fiverr that charge hundreds of dollars, and some even charge more than $1,000. So if you go to Fiverr.com and just look around, you'll be able to see what people are offering and what prices they are charging. So as you can see, you can make money with literally anything on Fiverr, but I will recommend making money with translation. There are many people that come to Fiverr looking to get their translation jobs done. And if you had a translation gig on Fiverr, then you'll be able to make the most amount of money on this platform. Don't worry if you don't speak another language besides English. I will show you the tools which you can use to make money with Fiverr. So the first step is obviously going to be to sign up to Fiverr. You can do that by going to Fiverr.com and click on Join. Another page will load up which will look like this, and all you have to do is fill the form and use common sense while you're filling the form until you create your account. When your account has been created, you will need to log in and create a translation gig. Since you'll be creating a translation gig, you can do a search on Fiverr for translation gig offers and basically copy the best performing gigs. Ask yourself, what can you do to get an edge over the competition, and simply just do that comes to your mind. In this video, I won't be going in details on how to create a gig, but I will create a video about it. In that video, I'll go deep into Fiverr and reveal to you the secrets to success with Fiverr. It should be my next video or the one after my next video, so subscribe to the channel to get notified when I post a video. So once you've created your translation gig and someone purchases your gig, usually they will send you a text file containing what they want you to translate. So if your gig is about translating French to English, you will get a text document containing text in French which you will translate to English. What many people don't know is that you can use Google Translate to translate those documents. A lot of people think that you actually have to be fluent in French or the language you are translating to English. That is simply not true. You can get good translation from Google Translate, and all you have to do is simply paste in the text you want to translate, and Google will detect the language and translate the text to English for you. It's that simple. With Fiverr, you can be making anywhere from $500 to $5,000 a month. Again, if you want to know how to make $5,000 monthly with Fiverr, subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified when I drop the Fiverr video where I go into details on how to make money on Fiverr. The second platform I'll be showing you is Revcom. If you go to Revcom and scroll all the way to the bottom, under About, you should see a menu called Freelancer. If you click on it, it should bring you to the page that looks like this. Here's the point I want to make. This platform will not accept you if you're from countries like Nigeria, Pakistan, and the rest, but you can easily circumvent this by using a VPN. Also, you need to know that Rev.com send out payments through PayPal. That means that if you don't have a PayPal account, this method will not work for you. You can go ahead and create a PayPal account to receive your payments if you don't have one. Alright, so when you click on the Freelancer menu I mentioned earlier, it will bring you to this page. You can see that you can make anywhere from 30 cents to $1.1 per minute of transcription. If you're taking 30 cents per minute as a benchmark, that will be $18 you will make for 1 hour of work. So you can see that while $18 is not a lot of money, if you're just trying to make an extra income on the side, $18 an hour can come in handy. Don't forget that this $18 an hour is the minimum you will get paid per hour. You can get the rate as high as $66 per hour on Rev.com. To get started, you will have to sign up. Just fill the form and take the quick exam. Make sure you give it your best because Rev.com is looking to give the best quality to their customers, so they won't approve your account if you don't meet their standards. When you get approved and you're ready to work with Revcom, they will usually send you an audio file or a video, and all you have to do is listen carefully and type what you hear. Then go over what you've transcribed and make sure there are no mistakes before you submit the transcribed documents. You can easily make an extra $300 with this platform. If you transcribe 1 hour of audio or video every day for 30 days at the minimum rate of 30 cents per minute, you will be making $540. That's way more than the $300 I was talking about. So look into these methods I talked about and just start doing something. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will get notified when I drop the video where I will go into details on how you can make money with Fiverr. It's been a pleasure having you on my channel. Thanks for stopping by and I'll see you in the next video.